Can someone help me or explain to me how to do Instagram shop and link it to Facebook page? I'm really clueless about it, and this is my first time to set up ESS shop. Can someone help me, please? Please, please. Hi guys, as I in the previous scene, she asked how to change her personal Instagram into the Instagram shop and link it to the Facebook page. So I see people tend to get confused in this step and how to change it, and people also really don't know how to change your personal Instagram into the Instagram shop. So mostly people still stick to the personal Instagram as their IG shop and do not change it to the Instagram shop. So as for today, I'm going to teach you how to change your personal Instagram into the Instagram shop and link it to your Facebook page. It's a simple step, but people tend to get confused of it. So bear with me and I'm going to explain to you and share all the knowledge I know. So let's the fun begin, people. Stay tuned.
All you need is your phone. Firstly, log into your Instagram shop. Click login. Okay, go to your profile. Go to setting. Click account. After that, switch to professional account and click continue. Click again, and click again. After that, you need to select category, which is you are selling something. You need to choose product and services. Then they will ask you, are you as a creator or business? So you need to choose business. Then you need to review your contact info, fill in your phone number, and you do not need to fill address as you are as a dropshipper only. Click continue, and then for your Facebook, I will show how to create page and link it to your Instagram. Next, for the Facebook step, we just go to our Facebook, our profile Facebook, which is this. Go to create, choose page. So fill in all your detail for your page, which is like me. So your categories, so product and service, and including the caption here or description. So just click page. After a few moments, the loading and your page will become like this. Okay, you just put in your profile pictures, your header pictures, and including your name of your shop and your username. So for the username, you just need one capital letters and this symbol, which is a full stop and numbers. So here is your setting for you to edit your page. So here, edit page info. So put your name shop, your username, your description, your phone number, email address, or everything. So as me as a dropship, I will never put my location here. I just put my numbers. Here's my numbers for people to contact with me or WhatsApp me or whatever they want. So we go back home. So here you will create your post. So here this is our header, our post. This is for our first post. Okay, here we just put pictures, and here is our profile pictures, and here the number I said, yeah, they can get to us through send message, email, or everything. So you just invite another people to like your page. Just simple as that. So you can view, for you to view your full page, just view your page like this. View as a visitor. Click. So here is what your visitor will see, where your page look like. Just here. So actually, it's more easier if you link your Facebook and Instagram, because you don't need to post twice. Let's say if you link your Facebook with Instagram, your Instagram post automatically will become the post for your page. So for you to link Instagram with Facebook, I will teach you how. So just go back to your Instagram. Login back to your Instagram, click account, sharing to another apps, click Facebook. Then you will see this like this to enable connection. So click continue, finish setting up. Then you will see this, then you can start posting your posts. So to check either your IG post will get through your Facebook page, just go back to our Facebook. This, our Facebook profile. Go to shortcut, click your page. This is my page, one with the secret, click. Okay, scroll down. Ta-da! This is our IG post. So we do not need to post twice, only once, and we will automatically post into your page. It will help your job become more easier and less time. Okay? Just no worries. Just link your IG shop to your Facebook page, and it will do your job. Okay, I hope all the knowledge I said will help you, and see you again. Bye.
Okay, I think that's all for me and my video today. Thank you for listening and thank you for sticking until the end. I know some people really shy to ask another person help, but people we are live to learn. It's okay to ask another person help if you really don't know the question. So I hope all the knowledge I shared today will become helpful for you in the future, for you to build an online shop, dropshipper or entrepreneurship. And I really hope that you will be successful in whatever you do. Okay people, that's all from me. Thank you, take care, stay safe and follow all the SOP. Love you and good luck.